everyone, this is Jan, and we are now on day 6 of our trip. And if you haven't guessed by now, yeah, we're going on another cruise. This will be a 21-day cruise broken down in 2 parts. The first part is 13 days, and the second part is 8 days. And we will be leaving Port Canaveral for St. Thomas, Antigua, Barbados, Grenada, St. Martin, San Juan, and St. Kitts. The other thing is, this was absolutely the weirdest trip we have ever been on. We had a high seas rescue. Well, kind of. There were a lot of health problems on the ship because a lot of people came and either were sick before they got on the ship, or their symptoms developed after they were on the ship. We had high seas, probably about 7 feet. When we were nearing St. Thomas, there was an earthquake out in the ocean, and they were concerned that we would have a tsunami. We had an emergency stop during the middle of the night, and the captain came on the speaker, which about 12 o'clock, and apparently somebody was having a heart attack and someone had been stabbed. He said the doctor advised him that they had to get them to a hospital right away. And the other excitement was Cape Canaveral was going to try to do a rocket launch that night. So we do have videos of that. So come along. Join this journey if you dare. See you later. PH, don't watch. It's a long way down. I always call these the bumblebees because they look like little bees going in and out of hives. Each ship is kind of the same, but just a little bit different. And down below is the lobby. You know, just like a hotel has a lobby. There's the swimming pool and the drive-in. There's the movie theater. You drive in your lounge chairs, put a blanket on you or a towel, and then over here or the other side with the bar, they will make popcorn. So you can sit here and have popcorn, have to buy your drinks, and watch the movies. And it's chilly here. It really is. Although some people are already out here in their bathing suits, but it is chilly.